What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to change the battery in a Subaru key fob. So this remote key fob is going to be for vehicles that have a push button start ignition. If your vehicle has a regular turnstile ignition, it'll use a different fob and the battery change procedure will be different. But again, on ours, we're going to be looking at the Subarus that have a push button start ignition. And this key fob is going to take replacement battery CR1632. The first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the fob. That's done by pressing this button on the side, and then the key will slide out like that. Now if we take a look at the bottom of the fob, we'll see this little notch right here. And if you notice, there's a little bit of a lip on this emergency key. What we're going to do is stick the key in that notch like this, and then we're just going to twist it like we're opening a lock. And as you do that, it'll pop the shell apart. And now on the back of this circuit board, we can see our battery right here. And there's this little notch. You can use your key to get under the edge of the battery. We'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. So we'll snap that into place. And one thing I'll point out here is these didn't move, but if your buttons have moved at all while they're apart, make sure you get those situated back where they need to be. And then get your board back in there. And then go ahead and snap the two halves of the shell together. Put our emergency key in, and that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.